So one of the things you may want to do is insert out special characters in Affinity. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here onto the frame text tool, click and drag this out right here. And then here what you can do is you can go ahead and insert special character. So to do that, you can go to text right here, and then you can go around over here onto insert. And then what you can do from here is you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, symbols, and there's different symbols right here. Like there's copyright symbol right here that you can insert. You can go around over here onto insert, and then let's say for example, go to symbols and then go to trademark symbol and so forth right here, just like this. So if I were to go to text, that is what you have. You can go to insert right here and then go ahead and insert out different characters as you like. But if you want to go ahead and find out more characters and you want to insert more special characters, you can actually go around over here onto Windows right here, just like this. And then what you can actually do is go ahead onto text, and here you can see that glyph browser is an option, which actually goes ahead and gives you like character sets right here. For example, I can go ahead and expand this, and you can see all the characters from the Arial font listed out right here. So you can see like there's these kind of characters that you can go ahead and double click to insert. You can go around over here and choose different font right here, and you'll see special characters from those particular fonts that you can insert right here, just like this as well. Let's just go ahead and scroll down, and here you can see Wingdings, which is a bunch of special characters itself. So you can go around over here and then let's say for example, insert this character out. And then you can see that this is how special characters can be inserted right here, just like this. So you can also see like these special characters. You can even go ahead and then let's say for example, type in something if you want, let's say for example right here. So let's say for example, if I were to go for this one, I'm going to go around over here onto A, then you can see that as I type in different characters, the relevant characters actually show up that you can go ahead and double click and insert it out as you want. So that is basically how you can go ahead and insert out special characters inside of Affinity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.